So this is a luxury book style foldable called the Vertu Alphafold. This device isn't designed to compete with traditional smartphone manufacturers like Samsung and Apple. If this device actually, meant to compete with any brands, it will be with the likes of Rolex, Hermes, and other luxury brands. Okay. Anyway, in terms of design, this device has a titanium hinge rated for up to 650,000 folds, which is actually impressive on paper. And the back isn't just a finish. It's hand wrapped in exotic leathers with precious metal accents depending on the variants. And every unit reportedly carries the artisan's signature inside the build. Now for specs, the phone has an 8-inch main flexible OLED panel with a 120Hz refresh rate, a 6.53-inch cover screen for regular phone use with a 120Hz refresh rate as well. And under the hood, the device is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 4 paired with 16GB RAM and 1TB storage. And in the camera department, the phone features a triple rear camera setup consisting of a 50MP main sensor, a 50MP ultra wide angle lens, and a 5MP telephoto lens. And it has a 20MP selfie shooter. Moving on, the phone packs a massive 6500 mAh silicon carbon battery paired with 65 watts fast charging. But what actually sets this device apart is its built-in AI system, which is called the Hermes Agent. This is an AI system positioned as a kind of autonomous executive assistant. It's meant to handle real tasks like booking travels, managing shopping, coordinating schedules, and so much more. In other words, it's actually trying to turn your phone into a business manager rather than just a smart assistant. Now, the phone comes in different luxury designs, including stitched calfskin, which costs $6,800. And then there's the alligator leather that costs $8,800. And there's also the bespoke gold series, ranging roughly from $13,800 up to $20,800, depending on how much gold is integrated. And then there's the Himalaya alligator version that sits even higher at around $21,200. And at the top end, you have the gold and diamond editions reaching about $34,200. So these are the details of the Vertu Alphafold. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.